What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom. Speech.
I'm not resting. If you guys got any recommendations, make sure you leave it down below. Make sure you
like, comment, subscribe. Here we got RS.
We got Yan223 and this one's called Violent Heart.
People, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, people, and let us know what other songs that you want us to react to. We can react to your favorite artists next. You never know. But people, first of all, we want you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Get the engagement up, people, by liking the video, subscribing, and commenting in the comment section what else you want us to react to in the next reaction video. People, make sure you guys do that because we want you to do that. And if you want us to react to more, you got to do that. You know what I mean? Do it. But anyway, people, let's get into this. Let's see what it's saying. Come back, then react to it. Catch a vibe first, you know what I'm saying?
Jump down in the low nut zone. My heart, malicious. It's getting dark and dangerous. Surviving ain't easy at all. Nah, let's get it. I got violent heart. Jump down in the low nut. Cat and a lubaga. Yes, I'm a holder. Mommy low minchi. Me and the ammonia. Hands on the pongwe gera. Not jump down in the low nut. A Pusin Jane, a wailing door and growing along that. Luring in my damn she roaring, growing pyongyang. Hands on every meditation, think a Janie Mara, you to moon and save me shot. A Pusin Jane, a wailing door and growing.
Bring this back. Hey, I love it.
Jump down in the low nut zone.
Hey.
My heart, malicious. It's getting dark and dangerous. Surviving ain't easy at all. Nah, let's get it. I got violent heart.
What?
Jump down in the low nut.
What?
Cat and a lubaga.
Hey.
Yes, I'm a holder.
What?
Mommy low minchi.
What?
Me and the ammonia. Hands on the pongwe gera. Not jump down in the low nut. A Pusin Jane, a wailing door and growing along that. Luring in my damn she roaring.
See, at the start, I thought he was just gonna come in with some rap type of stuff, and then he switched up the whole beat in and just got into this whole, you know what I mean? I thought it was just gonna be a rap beat. He switched
Jerry look you in the Naruya thing agent mia. Save my cheese at Luyo Mamque, Bora to get chicha. Leo Law Mount roll the bow, the counter top Bobby Molem show. Day one in Arlon Susie. Day one, you die so paid on canal. A teacher on the highway, I'm so lonely. Sema more moaning. Nasadle nice, I know when cold. Pure long out of local. Got gone at cool at near gym, man way shouting. Can so that cool way boy, I'm in Lamau shouting. Chill up your traditions there, deep was it when I'm showing you. My move on out your thunder, hands on I let me load you. Man, they go on you, not my eye, let me throw you. You don't tell long out in money, low not doing a peony to the out. Don't let me buff for it.
I like this one, man. This one sounds good, people. So far, so good.
When they nigga over here, I'm your woman, Minchi. I'm a pimshi, I'm into him, to be rock and on a constant. I can't go with a down money.
What are you saying, people? Is this where both of them from? Yeah, this is the area where they're from. Where are these? Where's 223 from, people? Let me know. Where are these lot from?
I miss my day, a wailing door and growing along that. Luring in my damn she roaring, growing pyongyang. Hands on every meditation, think a Janie Mara, you to moon and save me shot. A Pusin Jane, a wailing door and growing along that. Luring in my damn she roaring, growing pyongyang. Let's go and chain him around, wait to move lower side. No, no, I don't send that out. Do you want to the local? I'm going to do Bob to the shin. That again, I'm sounding it. Getting a young and tea girl, a young girl, and a man. And do the mutual down, I get you there. The genius who want to do wine play. Ain't my mother going to do my kid. So I'll get it.
What did you say?
So some real life vibes, like they're talking on some like real experiences that they experience in life, man.
Mình long ra nên chọn trên ta đông đi làm nhà cái tụi trái chăm nhà để my emotion.
My emotion.
She already changed the show. Mama pong on get it kudos on my bitter love. Fusing Jane, Leo, Will and Doran, growing longer. Luring me, Ma, them she roaring, growing Pyongyang. Hands on every meditation, Yarim Yam Yam. Thinking Janie Mara, you to moon the same shot. Fusing Jane, Leo, Will and Doran, growing longer. Luring me, Ma, them she roaring, growing Pyongyang. Let's go and Janie Mara, wait to move lower song. We know not a drone, shit and all. Pay to me on the house alone.
There you go, people. There you go. What are you saying about this, RS?
I like this one, man. This is like some reality, you know what I mean? Some real life shit from where they started and how they elevated to the top, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I got from the track as well. Like, yeah, they was just telling you about their life and all sorts like that, how they came up. Like, it felt like some, like, yo, like, let me get this off my chest, innit? Like, it's one of those songs.
Pain.
Yeah, like that pain music and stuff like that. But people, make sure you like the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, people. Let us know what else you want us to react to next in the next reaction video.